You are going to love the 2019 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.